Hello everybody. So in this video, we are going to learn about writing a program in C to find the largest among the three numbers entered by the user using only conditional operators. So what this conditional operator is that it checks the condition between the two variables or more than two variables. So before we write the code to this problem, we need to find out the basic syntax of the conditional operator. So I have written a syntax of the conditional operator which can be seen as in here. I'll write the code here. That syntax should be of the case condition has to be written inside a small bracket and then a question mark is given. That tells if the expression is true, the first expression will be printed, or else the second expression will be validated. So without any further ado, let's get back to the code. So as the question suggests, we have to find the largest number among the three numbers entered by the user. So we'll just input numbers from the user. So I like the code for that. We'll let A, B and C be the three numbers. Then I will ask the user to enter the numbers in order to check which the greatest number is between the numbers that has been given. So percentage, sorry, what am I writing? Percentage d and percentage d, since it takes the three numbers at once: m percentage of a, m percentage of b and m percentage of c. So what we have done till now is asks the user to enter the three numbers. So the main code starts here. We'll let another variable max to be declared here. Then I'll declare max. Then max will store the value of that. We give the expression a greater than b, because a and b are the first two numbers that we have been writing here. And if a is greater than b, as the syntax suggested us, we write the first expression, that is a, or with a colon we give a b. And then I'll explain what is happening here. Again we write max equals uh max greater than c, and then if this holds true, max or else c. So I'd like to write the output here. The greatest number is percentage d, comma, and percentage of max is the variable that we have been using. So let's just see. First three lines of the codes are the very basic parts. The thing that you have to understand is starts from the line number 11 as seen in the display. So what is happening here is I used a variable named max which has given a condition is a greater than b. As suggested, if a is greater than b, max stores the value of a. Alright, because a is the statement that runs if it is true. And I have also given a colon which signifies if the condition that the user is given, if a is not greater than b, then the value of b will be stored in max. Then this value will be stored in the max named variable, and the variable named max will again be compared to c. Is the variable max greater than c? Condition is being checked. If it is yes, then the value of max stays in max. But if the value of c is greater than the value of max, that is the value we got from calculating the highest number from the statement above, then the value of c will get into the value of max. What happens ultimately, if the user enters 4, 5 and 7, let's say, when the user enters 4, 5 and 7, a is the 4, so a becomes 4, b becomes 5 and c becomes 7, isn't it? So what happens in this line is a greater than b? No. Then the value of b will be stored in max. Then is b, that is 5, greater than c? No. Then the value of c would be stored in max. So like this the code runs, and I'll just compile and run this code for you just to check. 4, 6 and 7, let's say. The greatest number is sorry, I have given the address of max in this, so that's why the error came. So there should be no problem running this code right now. 4, 6 and 7. So the greatest number is 7. What happened earlier was it got the uh, place where the max variable was stored, so that was the error, which was technically not a error nonetheless. So like this you can write the program to find the largest among three numbers using only conditional operators. I hope this helped you a lot. If it did, you can leave a like and also leave a comment on the video.